Your company uses Google SecOps to manage security investigations. Policy dictates that every case involving data loss prevention, or DLP, must be tagged with a mandatory root cause category, chosen from a list of 5 specific types, at the moment the case is finalized and closed. What is the correct method to implement this requirement in Google SecOps? Option A, modify the closure window settings to include the 5 DLP categories as mandatory root cause selections.
Option B, modify the automated naming convention for cases to embed the DLP category. Option C, deploy a SOAR playbook that labels cases with tags based on the DLP event type definition. Option D, define custom tags within the SOAR platform and instruct analysts to manually apply the appropriate tag before closing each case. This question asks us to identify the most effective administrative configuration to enforce data integrity during a specific security workflow phase, specifically at the point of case closure.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. Modifying the closure window settings allows administrators to include the 5 DLP categories as mandatory fields. This ensures that analysts are effectively forced to categorize the incident accurately before they can finalize and close the case. This approach provides the best guarantee of data consistency for reporting purposes, as it makes the categorization a non-negotiable step in the workflow. Options B and D are less effective because they do not enforce a mandatory closure workflow step. Option C describes an automated process, which might be useful, but it does not guarantee that the categorization is reviewed or confirmed by the analyst during the final closing process. When dealing with configuration requirements for security platforms, look for methods that enforce user action directly within the critical path of the tool, rather than relying on manual processes or loose automation.